Hey there, fitness warriors! Before we kick off this exciting Mediterranean diet challenge, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and leave us a comment to let us know you're joining the journey. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to embark on this transformative adventure together. Get ready to transform your body from the inside out with a curated selection of workout videos and mouthwatering recipes that will leave you feeling energized, satisfied, and ready to conquer your health and fitness goals. Let's dive in. First up, we have a dynamic cardio workout to kickstart your metabolism and get your heart pumping. Follow along as we sweat it out with high-energy moves designed to torch calories and boost your endurance. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body as we embark on this exhilarating fitness journey. Now, let's fuel our bodies with a classic Mediterranean dish, Greek salad. Packed with fresh vegetables, tangy feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil, this vibrant salad is bursting with flavor and nutrients. Whip up a batch in minutes and enjoy a taste of the Mediterranean right at home. Next, we're turning up the intensity with a total body strength training session. Grab your dumbbells or resistance bands and join us for a series of exercises targeting major muscle groups. Strengthen and tone your body while building lean muscle mass for a sculpted physique that radiates strength and confidence. After a challenging workout, refuel with a protein-packed meal like grilled Mediterranean chicken. Marinated in a blend of herbs, lemon juice, and garlic, this juicy chicken dish is bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Serve it alongside a side of roasted vegetables for a satisfying and nutritious post-workout feast. Let's keep the momentum going with a yoga flow session to center our minds and stretch our muscles. Find your zen as we move through a series of poses designed to improve flexibility, balance, and relaxation. Take deep breaths and connect with your inner strength as we flow through this rejuvenating practice. For a wholesome and satisfying meal, try our Mediterranean quinoa salad. Loaded with protein-rich quinoa, colorful vegetables, and creamy avocado, this salad is a nutritional powerhouse that will leave you feeling nourished and satisfied. Whip up a batch for lunch or dinner and enjoy the delicious flavors of the Mediterranean. Let's finish strong with a high-intensity interval training HIIT workout to torch calories and boost our metabolism. Get ready to sweat as we alternate between bursts of intense exercise and brief rest periods. Push yourself to the limit and feel the burn as we elevate our fitness levels and challenge our bodies to reach new heights. To round out our Mediterranean feast, indulge in a mouthwatering dish of Mediterranean stuffed peppers. Packed with savory ground turkey, quinoa, tomatoes, and spices, these stuffed peppers are a flavorful and nutritious meal that will satisfy your hunger and delight your taste buds. Serve them up for dinner and enjoy a taste of the Mediterranean in every bite. Congratulations on completing the Mediterranean diet. What a workout! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment below sharing your favorite part of the Mediterranean diet challenge. Your engagement keeps us motivated to continue delivering top-notch content to support your health and wellness journey. Until next time, keep rocking those workouts, savoring those Mediterranean flavors, and thriving in your fitness goals. See you in the next challenge, and remember, together, we're unstoppable.